fitting a SunPass Pro transponder to a Triumph Rocket 3. I made up the bracket myself, which is from one of them GoPro accessory kits, this piece here. So that bolted, this is an extension for a camera that goes on the end, so bolted there, and no female for that, for this end, so as you can see I've just done that to it, and that ain't coming off, that ain't moving. And as for the transponder, well, it's velcroed here, here, hang on, where am I? Here and here, and at the back, right about there, so that ain't going anywhere. Well, I never go out when it's raining, so I don't, you know, you're supposed to have a screen over here. Well, that ain't happening. Hopefully that'll keep the water out, these things. I'm leaving them on there. And yeah, we haven't any rain in Florida. Well, not where I'm at, St. Pete, for the last couple of weeks. Today it's about, I don't know, 78, something like that. Gorgeous day out. Let's look at some blue skies. December the 16th. I mean, look at that. Florida. Yeah, fabulous. So yeah, so I'll test it out across the Skyway Bridge. Sunday I'll probably be taking the bike out and yeah, see if it works. If it does work, I'll make another video of it saying, oh yeah, it works, you know. So I just installed this phone holder. Got Amazon for 10 bucks. Where is it? Right about, whoops, bang bang, right about there. That ain't moving. That's pretty good actually for $10, including shipping if you got the Prime, you know. So yeah, there you have it. The SunPass Pro transponder fitted to a Triumph Rocket 3.